Hello, in this video I will show you how you can perform data backup on a Redmi 15C. So first of all you have to open the settings, go to about phone and go to backup and restore. Here you can select between mobile device, which is this device, or also computer. You can use computer to make a backup. So let's take this device and now you can select from here what you really want to backup. So I will only take images and go to backup, and also I will uncheck these third-party apps. So as you can see, it's backupping right now, and go to finish, and I have my backup copy. If you want to restore the backup, you can go to restore, click on this and restore, and now it's restored. So basically that's all. You can do it from here. Thanks for watching and subscribe.